Do I have to fight you?
Deal with it, boy. Fight us. Fight us. Fight us.
Okay.
You hurt Freddy. You hurt the gang leader. Say your goodbyes. You only have one. Is mine. Oh, wait.
That's my fidget spinner. I will get revenge. Oh my God, what's that? Ow! You again.
Deal with it.
Just give me my fidget spinner.
Fine.
Robert.
Oh, by the way.
Just give me my fidget spinner, please. We can be friends. We can deal this out. We can work this out.
Well, you have to fight. FNAF World RPG style. My turn.
Huh?
Bomb initiating in
3, 2, 1.
That was so stupid. Why did you do that? Why is your face like that? You look super derpy.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Come to talk to me again.
Or you can just be friends, okay?
Oh, okay.
Shake on it. Ow, ow, that hurts. Ow, ow.
Oh, by the way, you still have to heal my friend, so you better do that, or else you'll have a bad time.
Okay, let's go heal it, friend. Hello. Thank you for watching this cringy video. Shout out to my good friend, Dominic, Scala. You know what? Yeah, just subscribe to him. He doesn't have any videos though, but he helps me with my videos. So thank you, and
Exactly. See his true face.
I mean, they already did
I know in that video, but
exploring the.
exploring the totally abandoned house that we
Yes.
didn't just make up with our imagination.
No, we didn't.
No.
All right. Well,
Sorry
Sure.
for putting you through this cringy
yeah,
day.
it was cringy.
Yeah.
All right, this is going way too long. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.